Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Kabir Considers. In this video, we're going to react to people versus nature fails. People versus nature, I mean, there's only going to be one winner here. Like, for example, like I've seen videos of like people sitting in an SUV, they're on like a nature reserve, and an elephant starts like running towards the SUV. I mean, you better put your foot on the gas, mate.
It's Fox 5 and I'd like to report a light, sunny day today with light showers, maybe.
Whoa! What was that? Thunder? Lightning. Thunderstorm.
Oh, get out! I got late!
Oh man, that is a big wave. Oh, they get. Oh.
Oh, she's gone.
Boom. Wow. Wow, where are they? Oh my days.
Oh my god!
Dude, that is so dangerous. Anybody anywhere near that cliff edge? Holy shit. Man, you better hope that windshield holds through. Holy Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're not looking back?
Oh, move, man, move! He got wiped out. Wiped out.
Yeah, one more time! On the hole!
I think you're fighting a losing battle, man. Dude, the size of those hailstones, they're like tennis
busted
balls.
my window.
Those things are massive.
Holy crap.
I've never seen hailstones that big. Like the biggest ones I've seen have been around that big. It's not very big. It's about the size of a marble.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
did you see
Oh
that?
man, I hope you can swim. I hope he can swim.
Did you,
Oh
Did you
shit.
see that?
He might be in trouble, this man. Oh my god. I would be so scared, man.
Heavenly
Because
Father,
if
please help us.
they're praying, oh my god, if the engine
Please
goes
help us
up.
to be safe.
Oh my god, because they've got a tank full of flammable liquid. Oh my god!
Broke our window.
Oh no, the camera. You better get out of there.
Oh, she still got the camera. There's a bigger one.
What are you still standing there for? You're asking for trouble. Oh, that camera's fucked. That's all your fault. That is all your fault. That DSLR is finished.
The hail is like baseballs here. It is ruining our house. We've got holes in the roof. Everywhere.
They must live in a
The
bungalow.
size of baseballs.
How are they coming through? It must be like a single story building.
Jesus, come back here! Oh my god, baby, the bloody London bot just missed you! Holy bloody mother of God!
This guy's voice. What the heck? Mate, that is some strong wind. Jesus. Damn. Oh my word. She was like, she wasn't even trying to help him. Wow. This looks like a tornado. Mate, this looks like there's a tornado nearby or something. Or a hurricane. This is insane. You better get back in your car. Get back in the car. Oh my word. Oh my God. Why ain't anybody going over to help her? Oh! You see, I really want a beachfront property. I really, really do. But this is the danger of it. Look at this. The whole front balcony gone. But I guess they're super close to the water. I'd be further back for sure. Dearly. Whoa! Wow. Dang. Oh, I mean, that roof looks so flimsy. It doesn't look very sturdy. It's thin, very thin.
I got it!
What the heck is that? Why is there ice in the water? Never seen anything like this before. This is insane.
And right down here is the penis of snow my wife found. What is that again, honey?
God. If you were to go out in that. No, that phone is gone. That phone is gone. Because he was taking a picture of one of them. What are you doing? You're not going to be able to drink that. What are you doing? He's fighting for his life. This man is fighting. What in the heck? Holy shit.
Hang on.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Mommy! Oh my God! Get Mike, look at your line.
Oh no, that car is toast. Yeah, that car is, yeah, man. Dude, where on earth is this? Oh man, that car is completely, you just gotta hope there's no petrol in the tank, otherwise boom. Oh my God, get to the basement, get to the basement. Why has he gone outside? Shouldn't he have gone to the basement? I thought when there's an earthquake, if you've got a basement, you go to the basement, no? Oh. Oh man, the shit. Did he fall out as well? Sandstorm. Yeah, it's time to run, guys. It's time to get out of there. You know, if you got sunglasses, maybe put those on so it doesn't get in your eyes. Jeez, man. I really want to get to the beach. Whoa! Man,
That is
look
incredible.
at that. Wow.
As I've seen on YouTube when they've been hit by lightning before, I've seen the trees do it on videos, but I've never seen one for real.
Yeah. Self-contained, you know, tree farm. No! You ain't making it. Didn't you see it?
Are you okay?
How didn't he see that? I mean, he was... Marie, you better hold on tight. Oh no, that fish, man.
Oh, this is stupid. Oh, this is so f***ing stupid.
Oh mate, the engine's gonna get waterlogged.
Flooded
Has
the
it?
engine.
He's flooded it already. Dang.
We gotta let it go. We gotta let it go. We gotta let it go, guys. Back up. Turn into the wind. Turn into the wind. Turn into the wind.
Oh
Boy.
That's gonna be a couple £100. Wow. What the hell? Is that snow? What is this? Is it ice? But what is it brown? Someone explain what was the Why were they standing so close to the... Oh no! Oh no!
Holy sh**.
Damn!
Oh my
man.
god.
This is scary, man. If they let go of that and they get blown off, you need to get in the car. This is crazy. Oh, they're getting stung. He's getting stung. Oh, F that. Mate, he is in Spain without the S. Imagine that repeatedly getting stung. Oh no, those cars. You just gotta hope there's a nice ridge. Oh, those cars are gonna get... Oh no.
Cheese. Smile. Yo, smile. Yo. No more marshmallows, man.
That's
Don't worry, we have
hilarious.
2 packs.
This is, I've never, it's like a reverse waterfall. Never seen that before.
We tried to find the drains.
Where's the drains? That was brilliant, honestly. Such a great video. Those houses that were covered in that snowy, icy substance that was brown, that I genuinely have never seen anything like that before. Like maybe once in like another YouTube video, it's starting to ring a bell, but because they were perfectly covered in it. Like, and I would have to think people live in those houses. So, like, did that much icy snow fall in one night? Like, that was crazy. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.